Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this unbelievable Yamaha R1M. Here we have a Yamaha YZF R1M. This is a 2019 bike on a 19 plate with just 9,779 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike has an unbelievable specification, including a full Akrapovic exhaust system, which sounds absolutely phenomenal, as we shall discover. The rear tyre's got loads of life left in it there. You've got the tail tidy. Of course, the R1M is a single seat machine anyway. You've got all the carbon fibre bodywork there. Tank knee grips as well. Electronic hlins suspension, of course, on this bike, front and rear. You've got the MotoGP style brake guard as well. No marks on the mirrors, the levers, or the bar ends. There's all the carbon fibre bodywork there on this stunning R1M. GB Racing engine covers as well. There's your hlins electronic suspension. It's absolutely mint condition, this bike's lovely. Brembo monoblock brakes there as well. Of course, race ABS, although it has got the ABS delete as well. Slide control, traction control, wheelie control, TFT screen, quick shifter and Autoblipper, all features of the R1M. The lap timer as well. This thing is an absolute missile. Again, this side, the mirrors, bar ends and levers, no damage on those at all, and all your carbon fibre bodywork is absolutely pristine. Got the GB Racing engine protectors on this side as well. There's your front wheel with the front forks, again, absolutely no damage, corrosion or stone chips anywhere on the bike at all. The bike's set up very much for track use, although it's never been raced, of course. You can see that from the condition of it. So if you like your track days and you want something exotic to go on a track day and you want to go really, really fast, then this is very much the bike for you. You've got a pit lane speed limiter there as well. Quick release rear wheel and the chain sprockets all in fantastic condition. There's your shock, again, no corrosion on there. It's absolutely nothing to apologise for on this bike. It's an absolute stunner. Adjustable rear sets, they are Gillet's items. High quality stuff indeed. Everything on this bike just oozes quality. It's an absolute beast. As I said, if you're looking to do some track days, this is a total weapon. The full Akro system on this bike sounds absolutely unreal. Let's fire it up and have a listen. Awesome. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this high-spec Yamaha R1M, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We're delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.